It's Henry! Mowers and blowers! Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. It's time for another review. Got another product from the huge line of MECO Eleverde products. I got this in the mail the other day, opened up the box, and this is something totally new and different. These are heated socks. What will they think of next, right? Comes in this cute little box. Usually the MECO Eleverde theme colors, right? I thought these were cool, being that we're in the winter time now here on the East Coast, and it can get very chilly. Now these could be great for camping, hiking, fishing, most importantly, skiing. When you go skiing, my toes are freezing, you know what I'm saying? It's not like you can take off those boots really easily to get warmed up, right? So you always have to put on 2 pairs of socks usually to fill up the gap of those snow boots sometimes, right? Or just to have that extra warmth in your feet. So these are size medium. They also come in large. I definitely not a large size, right? Very soft fabric, right? It's reinforced in the toes and in the heel. It feels like just any other thick layered socks. It's got a little pocket here. Each sock has its own pocket, and I'll show you what the pockets are for. There's another little package here inside, and it has a micro USB charging cable. 2 micro USB charging cables. And these batteries are rated at 4000 mAh. So there are 3 settings on here: low, medium, and high. Obviously, the more power you're using, the less hours it will stay warm. So obviously you have to charge these both up, right? And there's an on and off switch for each. Two little outputs there, and that's it. These are simply just the batteries. Here's the input for the micro USB charging. So you charge these babies up, and let's press this button for on. Okay, so it's charged up to the 2nd bar. Let's see this one. This one's fully charged. So we're going to be able to test these right away. I won't have to charge them. So let's put these inside the socks and get them on my feet and see if they work. So in each pocket, you open it up, there's a cord. You plug in the cord into the output, and you turn it on. Slip it back into the sock here. And I'll do the same for this. And it looks like I might have to put these on and try. So on the battery indicator, you press it once to have it turned on, right? As you can see, this has 3 bars, so it's fully charged. This is blue on the first one, which is the lowest setting. Next one's going to be red. Next one's going to be purple. So the purple is going to be the highest. So I'm going to keep it on the highest on one, and I'm going to put it on blue on the other. I'm going to see the difference in the heat. I honestly have not felt this sensation in my life, actually. I'm wearing socks and my feet are warm, you know? And I thought it would, because I can kind of feel like pads right on the bottom balls of your feet, right? Like a padding, like where the heating element might be, right? But actually, I feel it everywhere. The entire sock is warm. And yes, this one's the purple color, the setting on high. And this one is in the middle, right? And this one does feel warmer than this one. But it's really toasty, and it's soft. It really feels great. It's not like, you know, hot, like it's unbearable hot, but it's toasty, you know what I'm saying? It's very cool. This is perfect for working out in the garage in the cold during the winter, you know what I mean? But I think these are even more perfect when you go camping, fishing, or most importantly, skiing. Because if you guys have ever gone skiing, you know that these huge ski boots that you put on, right? It's not like if you have an itch or something like that, you can go and scratch it easily, you know what I mean? And there's hardly any room in there for you to wiggle your toes just to get the circulation going if your feet are freezing. So these socks would definitely help that out. My only concern is that with skiing, right, the boot, when you clamp it on, it's so tight right around the shin area, right, that I think that this battery would probably hurt. It would get in the way. That's just my thoughts of it, you know. I haven't tried it yet, but if you're skiing with these, I would think that that might be a problem. But for anything other than that, I think these would be fantastic. Like if you snowboard, I don't think that would probably get in the way too. But the bindings on the boots for skiing, you know, alpine downhill skiing, I think this battery might be a problem, you know. But really fantastic. I like them and I need them, you know. These are available for $25.49 on Amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. But stay tuned for a discount code for a limited time. I'll help you save a few bucks with a discount code. But that's my video for today, trying out some MECO Eleverde heated socks. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.